This is Jack Lee from 3rd period Physics 2, and today I will be showing the simple DC motor that I made for class. So this motor is made using two permanent magnets, a set of screw-in washers, a copper coil, wires, a switch, and a battery. The direct current flows from the positive terminal of the battery into the red wire through this left set of screw-in washers, through the coil, out of this right set of screw-in washers, into the black wire at the switch, and then back into the negative terminal of the battery. And this is the north magnet, and this is the south magnet. The direct current, normally since this is a DC motor, it would require a commutator to work. The commutator would flip the direction of the current at a certain point to ensure that the force is in the right direction so that the motor will continue spinning. However, since I only sand out the insulation on one side of the copper wire, a commutator is not necessary. This side is fully sanded, while this side only has one of its side sanded, one of the insulation sides sanded. The current only flows when the sanded side of the wire is touching the washer, and stops flowing when it's not. When the sanded side is touching the washer, the current will flow through the coil. Using the right-hand rule, the current flows to the right. Okay, the current flows to the right. The north magnet's here, south magnet's there, so the magnetic field direction is this way. So the coil will experience an upwards force. It experiences the upward force here, which allows it to spin counterclockwise when looking at it from the direction of the battery. When it reaches the insulated side, the current stops and the force is removed. During this period, the coil uses inertia to continue spinning until the sanded side makes contact with the washer again and the force is reapplied onto the coil and makes it spin again. And this cycle of spinning and not spinning, based on whether the current flows or not, is what allows this motor to be a motor to spin the way it does. And yeah, so if I turn that off, the motor stops, and that's it.